So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how you can see emergency contacts on the lock screen of an iPhone. Now, I'm using the iPhone 14, but you can use these instructions for pretty much any iPhone. So if someone has added emergency contacts to the lock screen of the iPhone, then here's how to find it. So what you need to do is try to unlock the phone. Of course, the reason why you're looking for emergency contacts is because you cannot get past the lock screen. So tap on emergency. That's going to open the emergency dialer, and then go to medical ID. Tap on that. Then you should see that person's medical ID, including their emergency contacts. Okay. So that's basically how you can find emergency contacts on the lock screen of any iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.